Hi, how you doing, everybody? This is Mr. Russo. This is for my pre-algebra class, solving one-step equations. This is their homework to watch the video and then do the practice problems at the end. But please don't fast forward until the end because you're going to really need to watch the video. It's just going to waste time. So make sure that you're watching all of the videos that we have. This is the first video of, I think there's going to be 3. Okay, so first, equations are different than expressions. They have an equal sign, and you can solve them, not just simplify them. So what we do is we locate the equal sign, and we go to the side where the variable is, and we want to isolate this. Isolating the variable, or solving for the unknown variable, or getting x alone, all of that means the same thing. So get it alone. So I have to get rid of this -5. Now it looks like I'm adding and subtracting. I have an addition or subtraction sign in between, so that means I'm going to do an addition or subtraction step to get rid of it. But I'm going to do the inverse, or the opposite of it. So if I'm subtracting 5, I add 5. And whatever I do to one side, I have to do to the other side. Just like if I'm doing something to a fraction, whatever I do to the top, I got to do to the bottom. It works the same way. So I get rid of this. That cancels out. I bring down my variable. X equals, brought down my variable, brought down my equal sign, and now my integer rules come into play. Positive 12, positive 5, I know I'm adding or subtracting because I'm doing an addition or subtraction step. I get 17, and I can always check it by saying 17 minus 5, yes, it does equal 12. Okay. 2, what if I had x plus 15 equals, or x plus 5 equals 12. Not the same problem. X minus 5 is what we had before. So if I have x plus 5, inverse operation would be to subtract. Subtract, gone. Now when the signs are different, we subtract, take the sign larger, so it's positive 7. 7 plus 5, yes, it does equal 12. Even for these easy ones, you have to get used to showing your work, so this way when you get to the harder ones, you know how the process works. Negative 15 minus x equals 6. Okay, here's my equal sign. I go to the side where my variable is. I look in between the variable and the number. There's a plus or a minus sign. That means I'm going to do an addition or subtraction step. But I'm only concentrating on the number and its sign to the left of it. So to the left of the 15 is the negative. That tells me I have to do my inverse operation, which is add 15. Add 15. Now these 15s are gone, and you might be saying, well, what do I do with this negative? You bring it down with the variable. Bring both of these down, and you get negative x equals whatever you have over here, which is 21, and then I do what's called a change rule. You only do this when your variable is negative, not when there's other stuff around it. So you change its sign to a positive, change this sign to whatever the opposite of it is. It's not automatically negative. All right, and you get negative 21. And if you were to substitute this back in, negative 15 minus negative 21 equals 6, it will work because these two make a positive. Different signs, subtract, take the sign larger, it will work out to be 6. So x equals negative 21 is your answer. Okay, the next video is going to be still solving one-step equations involving addition and subtraction, but now we're going to put fractions into it. So I'm going to pause here, and you have to, for homework, watch the other videos that are for November 3rd homework.